So this is made from Ikea Ivar cabinet using rattan and standard wood, thin wood, like here. I bought this rattan from Clas Ohlson, 25 euros per piece and 2 pieces needed. Also standard wood, 8 millimeter versus 21. Using this saw to get nice 45 angles cuts. This rattan is easy to cut with scissors, and I fastened it with this finalizing nail gun. I don't know the correct name. Using 25 millimeters nails. These were just correct length. And this, because this rattan is in a rollable, I have to use heavy hooks to keep it in place. I cut it about 3 to 4 millimeters smaller than the door, that it doesn't be visible from outside. And these small nails are here, but after 1 or 2 meters nobody doesn't see them. So this project was done before Ikea started to sell ready-made doors for this cabinet. So that's the reason this is a little different. Well, I think it's nice. It's different.